So for this video, we're going to do a little bit of lower core engagement. Your transverse abdominis is the deepest part of your lower core, and it's one of the muscles in your body that helps support pelvic floor health. So you'll want for this practice, I have a yoga block, which is just a foam block that's maybe 4 inches by 8 inches or so. You could also use like a ball or a pillow, anything that you have at your house that you can place between your thighs and give it a little bit of a squeeze. So we'll come back to lying on our back again. This time we'll find that neutral place of the spine, so where your low back's not exaggerated this way or this way, it's just you're kind of balanced on your sacrum. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, can you draw the belly to the spine, close that gap behind the low back, and lift the feet off the mat. So you'll find that your legs are at two 90-degree angles, so you have 90 degree between your back and your thigh, and then 90 degree between your thigh and your lower legs. And then you'll want to take your block or ball or pillow or whatever it is and place it between your knees. So this might be enough. Your low belly might be shaking, and that is perfectly fine. If that is, just stay here and breathe. As you breathe in, I'm going to invite you to imagine filling your entire torso with air. And as you breathe out, can you breathe out like you're blowing out through a straw? Feel that pelvic floor engage and pull up into the body. Feel the belly come back to the spine. So inhaling to release that tension. And as you exhale, can you draw the belly to the spine, draw that pelvic floor in. If you'd like to take it to another step, to another level, you can inhale just like you were. Place your hands on the front of your thighs. This time as you exhale, can you place some pressure between your hands and your thighs? So push your hands into your thighs and your thighs into your hands. Inhale to release the tension. Exhale to draw the pelvic floor in, draw the belly to the spine, press the thighs into the hands. I would say to continue in this for about 10 rounds of your own breath to really work that pelvic floor and that transverse abdominis. Once you finish the 10, you can remove the block, bring the feet back to the mat, go ahead and draw the knees into the chest. Roll over onto one side and press yourself up into a seat.